What's up guys, and how you guys all doing today? Just to let you know, it's horrible outside, it's raining. As per usual, the sun is not out, and it's raining outside. Damn, that rain though, that rain is so bad. Birds are still singing though, but it's just horrible now that it's raining. Where's the good weather gone, eh? Where's the good old weather gone? I'm going to be working today, so I don't know if there's going to be a long video. There might be, don't know yet, but couldn't have been long anyway because since it's raining, there's not a lot I can do outside. As you may know, when it rains outside here. Literally, a nice spell would still probably include some rain, but I don't know. But yeah, we can't really do that much today, to be honest. Like, we could, I could show you about the town today if you want for like an hour. Show you demolition works and that. Don't know. Yeah, but that's right. So let's get ready and let's hit the town. Damn, somebody didn't do the dishes. Oh. Damn, look at that tiny wee thing. That's just so nice. So currently down the street there's millions and millions of roadworks. It's actually getting on my nerves, like, why can you not redo the full pavement at one time instead of resurfacing bit and bit and bit? When they're doing roadworks and that, they should always redo the full length of pavement. It's not fair, like, old people are going to end up, if they've got walking sticks now, they're going to end up tripping up, someone's going to get hurt badly. Don't know why the council allow this. So don't. Anyway, the bus is just about coming now. I'm just standing waiting for it, so it'll be good. And then I'll be heading into town, show you guys a bit of that. So let's see what's happening. The bus is now on its way. We just get it. Yeah, turn centre. 250. It's so strange seeing figures that in these buildings. Sorry, these buildings are like where I've known like forever and it's just seen this. Finally the houses over there can get a good view, like they must get first light in half a mile, I don't know how long. I'll call this snap and the video snap in as well. Since it's really warm, you get an electric fan from Marks and Spencer's. I'm just going to go and get it now actually. So that's me just get my first thing in the town today. I don't know if I'm getting anything else, I'll probably go to Burger King for a bit of brunch. So I'll get a chicken burger or something really good with them, yeah. So see you guys later. This man's always standing out here, he's always got some dedication, so I'm going to give him some money. Sorry. You go, yeah. Pardon?
You a copy of our magazine?
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's lovely today, isn't it?
Yeah, well, not
It wasn't earlier on, it was raining. Yeah, but it's really good.
Yeah,
it's it. Look, sure it is. Have you been to the Soldier Park in Brazil? All the
no, I haven't.
Carvings, it's really, it's really good. I was just there
yesterday. I've seen
photographs
of it and it's amazing, isn't it?
I was there yesterday, it was really good, yeah.
And quite, that sounds not scary, but you know, it was a wee bit sort of, you felt that they would come to life then. It was simple sort of food, yeah. Really
Yeah, like they went over and I was like, yeah, it's just so realistic,
Yes.
it's unbelievable.
I've seen photographs and I only live 5 minutes walk away from it, so I really must get up there.
I would definitely, like, I went yesterday, it's like really peaceful, so it's.
Yes, somebody else used that word too.
So there we guys have it, the big BK Burger King, here we come, chicken burger time. Damn, chicken burger and a drink of Cola Zero looks so nice and hopefully it tastes amazing as well. Currently in the phone shop, awaiting a phone top up. Look at some of these phones though, they're so good. Looks so nice. Look at that one. Some of them look so nice like that. I like that one. Flip phone. That's good. Get this one, man. Only one. Only one swan. Trolley. Is that trolley? Someone's been shopping in the sea store. Tennis court just straight after work. Looks absolutely bomb today, guys. And gonna cycle back home now. Hey, hey. So gonna take this bike back. Hey, boy. Hey guys, currently cycling along the beach. The reason of this is because Andy's friend broke his tendon, so I had to cycle his bike back from the fort, which is just like a long way behind, but can't believe straight from work, straight cycling. How cool is that, man? Like cycling straight along the beach is so fun. Not been cycling like a long while to this extent, to be honest, and I really, such a good view as well. Like, you can see the beautiful views of the sea, and that, excuse my hair, it's a mess, man. And I know, no helmet. Bad, bad, bad. See you later. So I'm currently cycling along the river. Right there. Some people in front are going to have to. Thank you. I cannot believe I'm cycling a bike that's not even mine. Feel like such a thug right now. Thug life. Smoke weed every day. Da da da. So that's me home now, and that's me all changed, boys. Yeah, quite a good bike ride I would say I had. It was stunted along like 20 minutes from the town to my house. That's really good actually for timing wise. Yeah. So thank you very much guys for joining me today. I think that I'm going to end my vlog here. I don't know yet. I'll see. But if I do end it here, thank you very much for joining me again. And please don't forget to turn on my post notifications. And please do not forget to subscribe. If you don't know how to turn on my post notifications, I will show you guys right now. The reason I want you all to turn on my post notifications is it means if when I post videos daily, means you'll be notified when they get uploaded. So any delays in that, you will know. You'll be like, oh, I've not had a notification yet, so should I go and check social media? So yeah, do that, and then I'll probably say if it'll be late or something. This one's going to be up by 10 o'clock tonight. I'm sorry to say that editing that won't be done. I'm not planning editing for later. So 10 o'clock UK time, this vlog should be up. So it'll be good, yeah. So I'm going to show you how to turn on my post notifications right now. Hi guys, so in order to turn on my post notifications, click the bell icon here. And it should show you this message. And then send me all notifications for this channel and click save. And that'll be you. Post notifications should now be have a little thing in there, the ding dings around the outside. And thank you again for joining me, and hope to see you in tomorrow's vlog. Thanks again for watching, guys, and see you next time.